Hello, my name is Robin Woodrum, and today I will be presenting an art analysis of Joseph Stella's The Virgin. This piece of art was painted by Joseph Stella, an American who was born in Italy in 1877. It is titled The Virgin and was painted with oil on canvas in 1926. Joseph Stella immigrated to New York in 1896. There he created compositions of the city and captured the liveliness of urban life. However, later in his life he returned to Italy and focused more on religious themes. This painting is of the Virgin Mary, and she appears against a dense array of birds, fruits, and flowers, which are common symbols of fertility. The rose, a symbol of Mary herself. For Stella, flowers, fruits, and birds had roles not only as natural creatures, but also as metaphors for art, for religion, and for spirituality. Spirit and nature are intertwined as the flowers, fruits, and birds. Their brilliant colors were nature's art. Mary has a peaceful face with a youthful appearance. A viewer can see the Bay of Naples in the background as if in homage to Stella's homeland. To the right of the Virgin, there is a lily flower, which is a traditional symbol for Mary due to their purity and fertility. Stella was familiar with the depictions of the Virgin from the Italian Renaissance, and he also liked traditional Italian folk art. The plants found in the painting are typical of the Mediterranean region. The color blue is traditionally used for the Virgin's cloak. The light behind Mary is likely a reference to the halo, symbolizing her divinity. Here is a connection of purity and naturalness between the Virgin and the objects that surround her. The opening of the cape plays an important role as a symbol of birth and protection. Some believe that she is covering her breasts to hide the fullness in them, which contrasts the innocence going on in this piece. The painting uses contrasts of value and color. The brightly saturated palette and vivid colors are a combination of primary and secondary, along with a blue theme, which brings unity to the piece. The stems of the flowers and the orchids encircle Mary's head, which provides balance and creates a directional force to move the viewer's eye around the painting. The emphasis, however, is on the Virgin, while the Sea of Naples is subordinate in the background. The white circle draws the focus of the viewer directly to the innocent face of Mary. Stella has reinterpreted Italian Renaissance altarpieces through a brightly saturated palette. This painting can be found today at the Brooklyn Museum of Art.